We're going
to make a slime.
Okay. Anong kailangan natin? What's this?
Shampoo, toothbrush,
Toothpaste. And this?
Salt,
And food color.
and food color.
Okay. First, ano dapat? The toothpaste. We'll put it
Put it
here. We'll try to experiment paano gumawa ng slime. Toothpaste. Slime.
Meron
Toothpaste.
pa.
Meron pa po.
Ako na.
Go. Ito lang, small lang. Ito lang. Like this. Okay, next. Next is shampoo. Okay, gay, open it. Shampoo, mix it. Dito, yan. Go. Pindot mo. Tama na. Okay, mix na, di ba? You mix it with the hold properly. Mix it, maayos na mix. Go mix it. Buo pa yung toothpaste. Mix mo, bango. And then, what's next? Food color.
Yeah. Food color. Ako na.
Ipataktak mo lang yan. Okay, go. Mix it again.
Ay! Sorry.
Mix it again. What color is that?
Kulay yellow.
Orange. Ayusin mo, buo pa. Yun pa. Next, we will going to add.
Salt.
Okay, add salt. Salt. Okay, enough. Okay, go. Mix it.
And some red color.
Wag na, okay lang yan. Orange only. Mix it. Buo pa yung iba. And after that, we're going to
Reason.
freezer. For ilang oras?
Mga 2 days.
2 days? Hindi! 2 hours only, di ba?
2 hours.
Okay, okay. Sabi mo, guys, wait lang. Hintayin nyo po after 2 hours. Papakita namin yung slime namin na nagawa after 2 hours. Makikita po namin kung tama ba yung ginawa ni RK. Okay, puput mo namin sa ref. Wait lang, guys.